In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Clickup AI in 2025. Whether you're new to Clickup or looking to maximize the AI features, this tutorial will guide you through the essentials you need to know. Let's start by visiting the Clickup website. Open your preferred browser and type in clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a login option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on that, and because ClickUp seamlessly integrates with Google, you have the convenient option to sign in using your Google account. If you haven't logged in with Google before, it just takes a few clicks. When prompted, select Sign in with Google and follow the steps to pick your Google account from the list. This makes it super easy and fast to access your ClickUp dashboard, especially if you use Google services regularly for work or personal tasks. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the heart of ClickUp's streamlined interface. It may look a little overwhelming at first with so many features and options to explore, but don't worry, we're going to zero in on using ClickUp AI through the chat feature. Look towards the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll spot a bubble chat icon. Give that a click. This opens up a direct messaging box where ClickUp's AI can assist you with various tasks. Think of it as having a personal assistant ready to help streamline your workflow. In the message box that appears, you're able to begin typing out commands or questions. This is where ClickUp's AI truly shines, because whether you want to create new tasks, seek help with project management, or brainstorm ideas, the AI is equipped to handle it all. For a hands-on practice, try typing something simple like create a task for exercise tomorrow. The AI will process this in real time and create the task for you. It's a powerful way to keep your to-do list dynamic and updated. Using ClickUp AI feels natural, like having a conversation with a colleague. It responds quickly, giving you suggestions or performing actions that you would otherwise have to do manually. This not only saves you time, but helps keep your projects organized without the hassle of switching contexts or platforms. To recap, accessing ClickUp and its AI features is straightforward. Log into ClickUp, engage the bubble chat, and start interacting with AI for enhanced productivity. As you get more familiar with these steps, you'll find that ClickUp becomes an indispensable part of your daily workflow, allowing you to tackle tasks with newfound ease and efficiency. So give it a try and see how ClickUp AI can transform the way you work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides.